Alright, let's start getting ready for that guide coat. I'll be using 120, 220, 300, 400, then finally 600 grit for the wet sand. Now I'm using guide coat because I wanted to show that I'm going to do my normal process without even using the guide coat. This is what I do. And then I check my work. What I mean by that is I'm going to go ahead and do my normal work like I never added guide coat, and then wipe it all off and see how well I did. Obviously you're going to miss some. Nobody's perfect. That's why there's guide coat, to make it like glass in perfection. If not, you'll have flaws. If guide coat is applied correctly, it'll stay on there. You'll see it still if you have a low spot. You'll have a burn through like there and see metal if you have high spots, and then you gotta bump it and then skim it a little bit with a rubber hammer or a little round tool that's rubber. Put close to that high spot, reflection. Bump it down just a hair and put some skim over it. Start your wet sand process again after sanding it, and then you can layer another layer. Basically act like you didn't even do it until you make it glassy like the rest again, because you're going to layer another layer of the white anyway. As you can see, there is burn throughs. I'll remind you, like I said, you can see where there's a few burn throughs here. It's getting thin. That's no big deal, because we're doing this to actually lay another layer over top of it. This is to get it ready for laying a solid color of white on it. Got a couple little spots here, like I say, not to worry about it because we're going to be re-skimming. This needs a teeny little bit of skim. I had to bump it to a high spot. And we'll continue. Alright, then we'll set you back when we get done up to the center of the hood, and we'll show that side. Thanks, everybody. Hope to see you on the next one. I don't have clutches in here. This does have the clutch additive in it for your posi, but mine does not. I use a quart of the high performance Valvoline 80W90, and then I use the 7590 full synthetic, one each. This is about what I usually use in here. You look like this in the car, man. You're riding along, and all of a sudden you can't see because your hat's down too damn low, and the seat's too low and it's too far back, and you lean the seat up and you look around and you put your hand over your eyes and you move it left to right away from your eyebrow and you go,